Most Android users never touch the Developer Options menu. But inside that hidden section are tools that can make your phone faster, smarter, and more efficient. In this video, we'll reveal 3 hidden developer options that are actually useful, not just for developers, but for anyone who wants to get more from their Android phone. Let's get started. Before we begin, here's how to unlock developer options. Go to Settings About Phone Build Number and tap it 7 times. You'll see a message saying, "You are now a developer." Then go back to Settings System Developer Options, and you'll see the hidden menu appear. Now, here are 3 features worth trying. Backhand index pointing down. Number 1. Animation Speed Control. If your phone feels slow, this is the easiest way to make it feel lightning fast. Scroll down to the Drawing section and find Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. Set all of them to 0.5x or off. Your phone won't actually get faster, but the animations will play twice as fast, making your device feel snappier and more responsive instantly. Number 2. Force 4x MSAA, Anti-aliasing. If you love mobile gaming, this one's for you. Under the Hardware Accelerated Rendering section, enable Force 4x MSAA. This forces smoother graphics and sharper visuals in many 3D games, perfect for titles like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, or Asphalt. It does use slightly more battery, but the visual upgrade is worth it. Number 3. Stay awake while charging. Ever tried using your phone as a digital clock, display, or monitor while charging? Turn on Stay Awake, and your screen will stay on as long as it's plugged in. It's great for content creators, coders, or anyone who wants to monitor live stats or videos without constantly tapping the screen. Lightbulb bonus tip. There are dozens of other powerful tools inside developer options, like USB debugging, background process limits, and Bluetooth audio codecs. But if you're not sure what something does, don't change it randomly. Some options can affect performance or battery life if misused. So there you have it. 3 hidden Android developer options that are actually useful for everyday users. High voltage faster performance. Video game better gaming visuals. Battery smarter charging display. Go ahead, enable developer options, and give your Android phone a little pro-level upgrade. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.